Ahoy, shipmates. Rain has stopped play. There's a storm coming in. It's windy and it's raining and there are hailstones. All of these things are no good for flying. Now we're just going to have to watch some ships coming in the better weather. However, the rain is forecast to stop tonight, allowing for some flying over the weekend. I remember those times when it was sunny. And there's the Queen Victoria. But good news, shipmates. After only 50 videos, 9,873 views. It's a lot of watching by shipmates. We have reached the grand, dizzying heights of 100 subscribers. What a phenomenal achievement that is. I'd like to thank all my subscribers and viewers for appreciating the videos of the lovely cruise ships. And if you're curious as to what this entails, here's some facts and figures for you. I was 37 hours and 41 minutes in the air over a total of 183 flights. About half a dozen of these were made before I started filming the marvellous ships in the port of Southampton, but most of them were, and that's a total of 355,000 meters, which equates to 220 miles, which is the same distance as from Southampton to Rosslare in Ireland. Now, I never thought I'd be able to fly to Ireland with my drone. It's an amazing amount of flying. But even better than this, I've picked up 3 Patreons to my Patreon account, and they've bought me some rum. How amazing is that? I nipped down to the shop, obviously an essential shopping trip, and picked up some Bumbu from the Caribbean. Marvellous looking bottle, pretty weighty. Lovely cross emblem on the front. A map of the Caribbean on the back. Been made for 120 years in the same distillery in Barbados. There's even a cross emblem on the cork. Well, nothing for it now. I think we'd better do a taste test. That's a particularly satisfying pop from the cork. Smells good. Lovely golden colour. Oh yes. Oh yes. What delicate tones. Slightly spicy. Very smooth finish. Sweeter than I was imagining. But certainly enough to keep this old sea dog happy. That's 2 thumbs up from me. I think that's excellent. Well, I think that's probably enough droning from me. No? No? Sarcastic electronic device. Until next time, shipmates.